Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are in pink of your health. Today in this video I will give you an introduction to the most difficult chapter, tenses. So let's start now. So do you know what are tenses? Tenses are verb forms that indicate the time of an action. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense expresses action in the present time. Past tense expresses action in the past time, and future tense expresses action that is likely to occur in future. For example, we are happy, we were happy, and we will be happy. Now, I will tell you the use of be, have, will, shall in tenses. Firstly, I will start with the use of be. It has various forms. In simple present, we use is, are, am. In simple past, we use was, were. And in simple future, we use will be and shall be. With I, we always use am. And with we, you, they, we use are. And he, she, it, and any name is mentioned, then we use is. In the same way, with I, he, she, it and name, we use was, and with we, you and they, we use were. And in future tense, we use will be and shall be only with I and we, and with rest others, we use will be. Now I will tell you the use of have. In simple present, with he, she, it and any name, we use has, and with I, we, you, they, we use have. In the same way, in simple past, we use had with all the subjects, and in future tense, we use will have and shall have with I and we, and with rest others, we use will have only. So, let's discuss about will and shall now. Normally, we use shall only with I and we. We use I shall and we shall in a formal language, and I will and we will are most common to use. When we want to offer any help to someone or we want to give some suggestion, we use shall I or shall we. For example, offer: shall I carry your bag? And suggestion: shall we go to Manali next year? And last but not the least point is, we don't use shall with he, she, it, they and you. For example, she will be very happy. We cannot use she shall be very happy. That will be wrong. I believe that you have easily understood this video. And in my next videos, I will make you learn everything about present tense, past tense and future tense. So stay tuned. Please like, share and comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.